Hello, my name is Deborah Wood. I'll be your instructor for health, safety, and nutrition for young children. I wanted to take you on a quick trip of our course. When you enter Canvas, you'll notice that the left-hand menu has your Canvas options, so you can go to your Canvas dashboard or get a listing of the courses that you're enrolled in. When you select our course, this is the screen you will see, and it has our course menu on the left, and it has a stream of to-do items on the right, and then the main course information is displayed here in the middle. There's just some welcome information with my contact information, email. And what I'd like you to do is to get into the habit of reading the announcement each week, which will be in the stream, and then going to the weekly modules. And you'll notice if you scroll down, the weekly modules will unlock every Sunday. And if you just click on the first item in the module, you're able to just step through it. It will always start with an introduction and objectives for the week. And then because we are a zero textbook course class, we will have a variety of videos and readings from different sources. To help you keep track of the notes from the videos, I've created these active viewing guides. You'll want to open and save this document and then fill it out as you go. You should be able to open the rich text format in any of your word processing or text processing applications. And then if you just view the two videos, taking notes, and then you'll move on to the weekly reading. And for the readings, you can open them by clicking on the title, or you can preview it in Canvas by clicking on this little icon. We have a variety of articles. This one is from the National Association for the Education of Young Children. The second reading is from the text that we'll be using in the first half of the course, Preventative Health and Safety in Childcare Settings. And I wanted to point out to you, when we give you the page numbers from 1.3 to 1.26, you want to be looking at the page numbers at the bottom of the page of the PDF as opposed to the page numbers in the PDF, because there is some introductory information in the PDF file. These two page numbers don't match, so you always want to be looking at the bottom to know where you are in your assignment. And then there will be a discussion every week. This week, you're just going to be introducing yourself, setting some goals, and then practicing doing a daily health check on a child or your spouse, significant other. There's information on how to participate in the discussions here. You do need to use the reply button and post first before you can see the posts of your classmates. You need to participate on at least 2 different days during the week, posting your initial discussion by Thursday and then responding to 2 of your classmates by the following Monday when the week ends. And then your responses to your classmates need to be substantial. I need to be able to tell from reading your response that you had read and are really making a significant comment on what your classmate had said. We're learning from each other in the discussions. And then this week, that's the extent of your assignments, but there is a little checklist to let you check your progress for the week. You can always come in to the menu and go to the announcements of the modules or the discussions. I know you found the announcements because you're watching this video. The discussions, I wanted to point out, We do have this student lounge discussion, which is kind of the Starbucks for our course. If you have a general question that you think other students may wonder about, please post it here. I'll check that every day. And then I just wanted to also point out the syllabus tab has a copy of the syllabus and the course calendar that were emailed to you, but they're again available here for your reference at any time. And then do check your grades every week. When I do grade your items, your score will appear here, and I'll provide comments on how the assignment was graded, and so you can get some feedback, and it'll be a little text box right next to your score. Again, I just want to welcome you to the course. I am available by email, or we can set up a video conference if you need it. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and I look forward to working with you.